Here we've got a set of duals. They are 20.8R38s. The hardware's with them. We got the sliders. We got the individual pieces here that attach them to the tractor. There is some corn stubble damage between the tread, but they do have a lot of tread on them. They're sliding T-rails. They're going to be sold absolute on Tractor House Auction. But these things have some tread, but they do have some corn stubble damage. You can see some cord between, on this one especially. The other one's not as bad. But they are Armstrongs, it looks like.